Alright, so I've jumpered around that one battery. Didn't jumper them, I paralleled the two of them. As you can see, there's big cables putting both of them in parallel and then going on. Of course, this meant that I had to rewire the BMS for one less battery. I got all that done. We're now 23 instead of 24 on this BMS in the front. This is a funny job. I should have known better. It's taken forever, and I know Mitch is thinking, boy, that guy's has my car forever. Why doesn't he fix it? Well, the problem is we were fixing it without buying new batteries for it. And I had ordered 8 batteries, and after a month, they didn't come in, and we got our money back. And I did source out some other batteries, but they're pretty expensive. The other thing is, you know, all the batteries are not great. Whatever we put in, there's always going to be a new stinker. And I did replace 8, but that wasn't enough. Plus, some of the ones that, well, I don't have 8 good ones that were brand new anyway. So I think one of the 8 is one of the ones that I just doubled up. So I really can't charge for the batteries. I can't charge for the labor because I didn't really fix it. It's just been Band-Aid patched. We do have 2 BMS boards in here, so I hope we can charge for those. And we got the pickup time. I hope we can charge for that. And I guess Mitch will probably give me something for all this. But if the takeaway from all it is, if you're not gonna, well, the takeaway is sometimes you can keep trying to fix something without replacing the parts and not really have a lot of success, and because of that you can't charge.